Okay, so you may just be curious about how this works, or maybe you're in escrow and you just made it through your inspections, you're aware of the condition of the home, and now you're wanting to know what options you have to proceed. The goal of this quick video is to give you an overview of the strategies that I've seen work really well in getting the seller to contribute towards making the needed repairs. I'm Courtney, and I'm a local realtor here in San Diego County, and I'm happy to create another video to help raise your real estate IQ. Okay, it's important to keep in mind that in California, homes are sold as is. So aside from being compliant with smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, or double strapping the water heater, the seller is not obligated to make any repairs. Of course, a smart seller is going to want to at least consider what the buyer is requesting to see if they can come to an agreement in order to have the home close. Okay, so there's 3 strategies that I want to share when it comes to requesting repairs. The first one is focus on health and safety items. Asking for a seller to paint a wall just because you don't like the color, that's not likely to be granted. But if the heater is letting out CO2, that's usually a totally different story. Okay, next, consider what's easiest for the seller, and that's going to ultimately increase the chances of them saying yes. And sometimes things like credits work really well here. Okay, finally, provide a quote or a report by a licensed contractor supporting the need for the repair. Documentation is key, and we actually gain some leverage knowing that the seller is required to share anything they know about the condition of the home with any future buyer. And this includes anything that we provide them. So now you may be wondering how asking for repairs works and how it usually is handled. There's 4 ways that a repair can get completed. The first one is the seller can choose the company to have the repair done before close of escrow. The second one is you could choose the company to have the repair done before close of escrow. Or the third one is you can receive a credit in lieu of the repair. And that will actually reduce your closing costs, keeping more money in your bank account so you can complete it after escrow. And then the fourth option is there's some combination. Some repairs are done and some credit is given. Okay, so now that you've sent your request over to the seller, there's 2 outcomes. One, you come to an agreement, everyone's happy, and then you remove your contingency for inspection. And you might remember that a contingency is a contractual right to back out of escrow and still get your earnest money deposit. And then this is going to be letting the seller know that you are comfortable moving forward in this area. Okay, the second option is unfortunately you and the seller cannot come to an agreement. You decide to back out of escrow and continue your home search. Okay, well that's it for now, and as always, if there's ever anyone you know could use my help, I'd be so happy to be a resource. I am so glad that you watched all the way to this point in the video because I'm happy to help raise your real estate IQ. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I wanted to take a moment to invite you to check out the description below for helpful resources and to download a guide that can include things like tips and checklists to make planning for your move even easier. It's honestly never too early to get started. If you like this video, please be sure to hit subscribe and turn on the bell so that you can get notified when we share new real estate videos each Thursday. You'll also want to check out the thumbnails that are about to pop up on the screen for other videos that we've custom made for you on this channel. And as always, this info is for people everywhere, but if you're looking to make a move to the San Diego area, I'd be happy to be a resource. You'll find my contact info in the description below. So have a great day, and I hope that you love where you live. See you guys in the next video.